So, good day, ma'am. Good day, everyone. So, I'm second reporter. My name is Pedro Lozada Pizarro. And so, my topic for this is it's all about overview of system of development. So, the systems development process, building of a system can be broken down into its core activities. So, first is system analysis and system design and programming, testing, conversion, and production and maintenance. So, system analysis is analysis of problem that is to resolve the new system, defining the problem and identifying causes, specifying solutions and systems. of proposal report identifies and examines alternative solution, identifying information requirements, and next is each solution is feasible and good investment is required technology skills and available. So system analysis count establishment information requirements, who needs what information, where, when, and how define objectives of new modified system, detail the function of new system must perform. Faulty requirements analysis is leading cause of systems of failure and high system development. So systems is described as system specification that will deliver function is identified during system, shared address and managerial organizational and technological components of system solution. So the real part is system or design as described of organizational technological. So depende kini sa components of technological system o solution. So organization managerial kanang nagsukod sa mga sukod sa technological or nakadaghan na magid kay karon high tech namang ron ang panahon, nagamit na taog mga equipment of mga new technology kay para mas mapadali ang atong pagtrabaho, or example sa internet na natay laptop or mga new high tech na nagyud nga mga gamit karon. Example sa social media, dagan na pareha sa mga AI or mga Canva or ginagamit nato sa eskwelahan. So diri is role of end users. Users information requirements drive system building. User must have sufficient control even design process to ensure system reflects their business priorities. So an information needs insufficient user involvement and design effort of major cause of system failure. So diri role of issue, mga role sa ginagamit nato sa requirements of information ensure system. So ensure nga ang sistema nag-reflect sa information needs. So kinahanglan gyud nato og information sa atong tagsa-tagsa. So diri sa programming specific the design of stage of conflict software and provide testing, ensure system producer result and anti-testing the program, and separately testing the functioning system a whole acceptance and make sure all of BIOS production setting this plan of preparation series of. So diri nga part, there is a simple plan to test a record change. Mao ni sa mga record tanawon ninyo, change of record, change of existing record, change of existing record, o mga na siya. So di na ako basahon tanan kay inyo na mga nakita. So conversion process of changing from old system and new system for maintaining strategies. Number 1 is parallel strategy. Number 2 is direct cut over. Number 3 pilot study. Number 4 is phased approach. So next is requires using training. So final list of detailed of documentation showing a system of works and technical and user standpoint. So user kanang mga manggamit, production ang ginagamit ba, production and maintenance system review and determine attribution needed may include and implement audit and document maintenance. So change of hardware software document of processor production system of correct errors and new requirements of processing efficiency. So first is 20% debugging emergency work, minus changes of hardware software data reporting, 60% of work user enhancement of improving documentation recording for greater processing efficiency. So 100% tanan. So ipadayon na to ang atong topic most of methodologies of modeling and design system. One is structured of methodologies. Number 2 is object-oriented development. So structured methodologies, structured techniques, and step-by-step progressive process-oriented focusing on modeling process or action that manipulate data is separate data process. Data flows diagram a parameters representing system and component process and flow and data between them. Officers logical graphic model information flow. High level and lower and level diagrams can be used in to process down into successive and layer to details. So data dictionary defines contents and data flows and data store. So let's continue. So processes anticipation describe transformation occurring within lowest level of data plus diagrams. Structure charts of thumb-down chart showing its level of design, relationship to other levels and place in data flow diagram for mill and university registration system. So muna siyang forma guys. So student request course available, open course, accepted, reject, selection, course life and course details, confirmation letters 2.0, enroll student. There are student master line, student details, registration, and compare registration. Lastly, ang akong topic is muna siyang last. High level structure charts of payroll system. So muna siya ang process payroll. Get valid inputs and calculate pay and write outputs. So get inputs and validate inputs and calculate gross pay and calculate net pay. Update master file and write checks and reported and output files. So diri ano siya ang object-oriented development. So objective is the basics unit of system analysis and design, combines data and the process that operate those data. Data encapsulated in an object can be used and modified only by operation or methods associated with that object. So lastly is object-oriented modeling based on concept of class of entity. So muna siya ang example sa process sa payroll sa masukod nimo ang mga estudyante right as napa-enroll dito sa Northeastern Mindanao State University. Example, makalculate og masukod na nimo pila ang nagpa-enroll, pila ka estudyante ang nag-eskwela sa NIMSU. So that's all ma'am. Thank you.